This is the final video to solve Honor Magic 8 Pro social media camera quality dropping. After dealing with social media camera quality degradation on my Honor Magic 8 Pro myself and spending days testing different fixes, I eventually identified several methods that actually work, and I'll walk you through them now. Method 1 targets specific app permissions, specifically disabling any text-related permissions for the camera app. This works because some social media applications or even the native camera app might interpret certain text overlay or recognition features as a lower resolution processing step, especially when integrating with third-party platforms. By removing this, the camera prioritizes raw image data. Method 2 involves adjusting developer options. Toggling off show touches and ensuring simulate color space is set to none helps prevent the system from applying unnecessary visual processing or color mapping that can compress image quality for social media feeds. It also disables background app settings that might interfere with camera output. Method 3 focuses on direct camera settings. Setting the resolution to the highest possible value and disabling features like HDR processing and image stabilization can prevent the camera from over-processing the image, which often leads to reduced quality when it's re-encoded by social media platforms. Method 4 addresses the social media app itself. Disabling in-app video enhancements and auto-focus adjustments within the social media app settings, followed by resetting app preferences and clearing data, ensures the app isn't imposing its own quality, reducing filters or compression algorithms on your footage before it's even uploaded.